are important as well as the sample preparation. However, today we're mainly going to focus on step 1, which is separation. So we're going to talk a little bit about the HPLC system and talk a bit about how the column chemistry can affect our separation too. And then we'll go on to step 2, which is our mass spec. So the next few slides are mainly going to focus on step 1, which is our separation. So step 1, separation, our HPLC system. So let's first start talking about our HPLC pumps. This is our XEN 2.0. In this compartment here is where our pumps live. This is our auto sampler, which I'll talk about next, and this is our column oven. So on the right here is a schematic of the pumps. So typically we have our mobile phase A, which is typically aqueous, and mobile phase B, which is typically organic. We then get our LCMS flow through to our degasser. The main purpose of our degasser is to remove any air in the lines. Then we have these 2 pumps. So we've got these 2 pumps are binary pumps, that's all that means. So the binary pumps deliver mobile phase at steady and precise amounts. So when you're setting up your LC method or gradient, you'll determine the percentage of A and the percentage of B, and these 2 pumps ensure that the precise amounts are being delivered. We then get our LCMS flow to our mixer, and our mixer's main job is to ensure your mobile phase is mixed before continuing to our column. So if we just follow this purple line to our auto sampler, our LCMS flow then goes to here into our auto sampler, and here A is our sample loop, which is loaded with sample. It'll then pick up the sample and we get our flow of our mixture of what we want to analyse through our column to our MS. Our column is typically kept in a column oven, as you can see here, because we want to keep it at a consistent temperature, and that's what it looks like in our XEN 2.0. Our sample loop is what we load with sample during our injection. Here D, this syringe is just used to pick up accurate amounts of sample. And then we have just shown here our samples and our sample needle. So this is generally what our HPLC auto sampler and column oven looks like. So now we've looked at our HPLC system and gave a brief overview how it works. One important step in separation is choosing our column.